Mark Schumann from Schumann Legal, and we are here at West Town Bikes speaking with Eli Faber, head technician, regarding bicycle safety. Welcome back, Eli.
Thanks, Mark.
So today we are going to be talking about tires. How do you know what your tire pressure should be?
Well, your tire should have some markings on the side, some numbers that tell you what pressure it should be. So, I have an example here. This is a road tire which goes to a little higher pressure. Right here you can see it says inflate to 100 psi. A hand pump like this should have a gauge at the bottom so you can see what pressure you're going to. Mountain bike tires, those are the wider ones, usually go to a lower pressure. These, for example, go to 40 psi.
So how often should you replace your tires on a bicycle?
When they wear down so that the tread is no longer visible, that's when you should replace them. You'll see your tires start to go bald. That's when you know there's little material left.
How do you select the right tire for your bicycle?
Well, your tire should always match your rim size. There are a few different standards for the diameter of tire. Road bike tires tend to be a little narrower to minimize contact with the ground, or friction with the ground, that is. Mountain bike tires are wider to spread out weight from impact, and they also tend to have these knobs to dig into the ground and the dirt. Those are some things to look for when choosing a tire.
What is the best type of tire if you're going to ride a lot of park trails?
I'd recommend a knobby tire.
Great. Thank you again.